serious? Look how big that shit is down there, boy. Look at the wing.
Oh my god, it's a whole line.
What the? What's going on? God, we looking crispy. You see the setup? We got a little something going on today. I'm just going to get some clips. We got to run and hit the gym. It's arm day. We about to go hit shoulders and record for the Brozo channel. If you ain't seen it, go check it out.
Yeah, gang. Today I ain't in the mood. I don't want your pussy on cook. Got 100 mil on my to-do list.
On top of that, we have the Import Expo show today in Atlanta. It's supposed to be at the Georgia International Convention Center. I don't know if it's gonna be big, popping, deep, or what, but we can go get some whips, get some our whip. Let me get dressed. But I look, you think I'm finna hit the gym like this, you know what I'm saying? I'm feeling the shoulders out already. Just let that thing rock. We back on the G7X. And if the quality start coming out, shit, I'ma lose it. Testing the waters here. So, let's see. Let's go ahead and get right. Okay, I ain't gonna lie. I did switch over to the white. Whatever. Probably grab something to eat after that because I'm hungry. I ain't really ate nothing today. And then we vibing until we get ready for the car show. So let's lock in. Oh gosh, if I get copyrighted, oh my god. There go the stand. I don't see Kobe yet. I get a whole little run through and shit. I know how to zoom on this thing. Oh, ain't this the zoom right here? Cinematically zooming tight.
Oh shit. There it is.
I wish it would focus. Nah, that is hard. You gotta send me know.
You gotta get the 10 on it.
Just dang. Yeah, I gotta get the front shade done. I was gonna do it this weekend. Now I already forgot.
I'll make you throw up.
What?
Fucking rock. The
No.
size of Satan's nutsack hit my fucking windshield right here.
No, is the shit's cracked? Oh fuck.
I ain't even gonna lie. The camera is hard.
Look at the quality.
When did you get this?
Jordan gave me this a while back.
Damn, I do look good.
No. You can hold me like Jack in the Titanic if it makes you feel better. Call me Road.
You knew that already, right?
Tight shit. I just be feeling it, you know what I'm saying?
You knew good.
Great.
You might need to slow down a little bit, shawty. I don't know if I'm in the angle.
Ow.
How far y'all step out? Above the green or under?
I'm about, yeah. In tight. Focus. Okay. What's going on, y'all? All right, so we just went ahead and finished the workout. I'm feeling juice. Never mind. On top of that, we gotta go get some food. So let's go get some Chipotle. I'm starving. I need some big boy meal. You understand? Totally forgot to show y'all I devoured the Chipotle. I ain't even give myself time to breathe. Double meat.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Double rice, black beans, lettuce, cheese, sour cream, steak and chicken. Some light. Now I'm getting ready, serving up. Let's look at that. Wait. I left the camera in the whip, so I'll bring that out. You know what I'm saying? Back out when we actually get over there to the car show and whatnot. So let's do it. All right, now we about 30 minutes away. We on the way to the import show now. Look, this is what I was talking about.
Go driver.
Let's see if I get some open run room. Thank you. That was nice.
That was nice.
Yeah. When I let off the brake, it was like 90.
Can't lie.
Kinda quick.
Ain't no kinda, it is.
Got some food. Yeah, we in comfort. I wasn't. Trying to find my damn ticket. Airplane. I made it out. Georgia Convention Center. Is it zoomed in, bro? I feel like I'm zoomed the hell in. Let me back up. Oh my God, yeah, Jesus. But that was cinematic, wasn't it? Oh. Airplane. This shit's gonna be so hard. Everybody coming through. Where you at? Where you at?
Yeah, I'm still on the highway, bro. We just got traffic.
Oh, type shit. 10? Okay, bet. I just parked.
You park at?
In D, they're gonna tell you probably like where to park. We just came in through the main entrance. It's low-key deep. I'm excited to see how it is in there. Sitting pretty. And on the braids. I don't think they make them dirty though. And she spin. Stop playing. Oh, he cooked with that one. BB's on the wheels too. Look at the fucking fitment. Hold on, give him a fit check. What you saying? Something calm. Fucking lamp architecture. See that bend? That's curvature right there. What you know about that?
I can do this.
Nah. Cause I'm a civilized man, you know what I'm saying? Oh, that's tough. Liberty Walk.
Because I might just be all over the place, okay?
Do your thing, bro. I'm doing my thing. You want me to sit? Look at that. It is slim carbon fucking wheels, bro. What are we talking about? What the fuck is that? I ain't gonna lie. You're fucking crazy. 6-speed? You're a dog, bro. Look at the wing on this shit. A few times this video, bro. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. Carbon everything. Oh my God, that shit going wrong, boy.
What I'm about to do is so hard. I'm about to scream.
You're spitting. With the GR, I'm okay with it. Look at that. That's a mean ass body. Oh, the fitment is so gross. Wow. Go follow him. Go give us some love. Check the love. Are we serious? Look how big that shit is down there, boy. Nah, that's Chris. I ain't gonna lie. That's where the little poo stick get the wing. I could eat dinner on this shit. No problem. You got a roll cage in there too. Look at the wheel. Ah, Cove.
Okay, it's 2 cars. You need to absolutely see.
Absolutely.
One is over there. You can see it. It's not what's about the car. It's what they got in the back.
What they got? All right, take me there.
I like it. None of these cars are more than like 30K.
Right? It's different, bro. Look at Look at the lights on the fucking Evo, bro. Fat ass Tome G.
I would definitely register for some shit like this.
Look at the size.
He's only putting 315 or 305.
No, that's chunky.
Let me see one.
Yeah, of course. Look at that front end, bro. That's nasty. What is that? Oh. Next to the This the VQ? It's just caught our eye.
Go to the back.
Go to the back. It's on bags, ain't it? Oh, let's look at the bloody guts. Red inside like that time of the month. That boy got back. like that time of the month. Manual. He's an actual man. Woo, Mr. Zilla. No way. Look. Steering wheel on the wrong side. Oh, that's so hard. What's on it? What's under the bonnet? What's under the bonnet? God damn, that's pretty as hell.
Pablo headlights, man. Bring them back.
I think they're so hot. Fucking wing!
You can pull up on this motherfucker.
Bro, this is on the floor, bro.
I don't think I can my finger. He dropped that shit till it bounced.
Smell catlets in here.
Chasing my niggas a little piece. I only like to freestyle for free. I put in the key and I ride it.
Shit scared me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bro, it scared me when I looked up. Oh. Tanner. It's mad loud in this bitch and I lost everybody. Aiden, Kobe, Bree, and all. So, see if I can find them. But these cars are crazy, so fuck it. Hopefully you can hear me. Oh, there go Aiden. Ah! What the fuck? The Camry? Hold up, hold up. Oh, yo. Boy, what's in the trunk? Oh, the trunk is the truck is the whole speaker, bro.
Bro. Look at this bullshit. Look at this weak ass run.
A whole wheel station?
You have these little.
What the fuck? Tony Stark? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Game inside. That shit's like a fucking hell is, what is going on? Carbon fender. It's a nice color, I ain't gonna lie. Almost did. I ain't get the 440. Bro, that kid just got so excited. That was cute. Oh, that's why he got excited. I'm dead. Shotty dead, that's why. The taxi. The G.
You see this?
Yeah, I did. Oh, damn, it's got a fat ass exhaust. Oh, scraping the crown. A vet? Motor, that's a vet.
Bro, is this your car? Like, what do you do? All the exact same as my dad owns a company.
Airplane.
Yeah.
Oh my god, is that me? Alright. That was a W, not gonna lie. Cool ass import show. It's in a small little warehouse, but like W. I just don't know if y'all can hear me in there. Hopefully, that shit was loud as fuck. I couldn't hear myself. I couldn't hear myself.
I'm literally screaming to Twitch. I'm like, bro, hope I'm not talking y'all ear off. But I can't hear, so.
Twin pulled up on me.